The Tech Force Airgun Guru Show, and you have the guru speaking, and today we're featuring this fantastic gun cleaning kit. This case is made out of aluminum. It's brushed aluminum, and it has the foam inserts, and what's included in this kit is phenomenal. This kit fits the majority of all shotguns, rifles, pistols, and air guns. You have 3 solid brass rods for the shotguns, 3 solid brass rods for the rifles and pistols. You have the universal handle. You have the universal handle adapters so you can switch between rifles and pistols. You have 10 wire brushes that fit 12 gauge, 20 gauge, 410 gauge, 45 caliber, 40 caliber, 357, 38 caliber, 9mm, 30 caliber, 270 caliber, 22 caliber air guns, and 177 air guns. It has 5 mops, which are the swabs there, the felt as you see, and they fit 12 gauge, 20 gauge, 410 gauge, 357, 38 calibers, 9mm, and 22 calibers. And it does have the brass adapters where you can switch from one size brush to the other size brush. It has 3 slotted in fixtures, and I'll reach my hand down here where you can see them. This is for your final rub through there with a cloth. If I can get one out, there you go. Kind of not cooperating with me. There we go. You have 3 different sizes of this slotted in for rifles, shotguns, and pistols. You have 5 cleaning swabs, or excuse me, 50 cleaning swabs. So this is a total kit. When you buy this one, you don't need to buy anything else. This kit has them all. So this is a perfect addition to your gun collection, air gun collection, pistol collection. It's in this wonderful, again, brushed aluminum case, and I'm going to shut the case so you can see it again. The carrying case. I mean, it's fantastic. And that thing will last years, and it's got all the parts you need to work on almost every gun that you would possibly collect. So from the Tech Force Airgun Guru, have a nice day.